Hey everyone, it's Internet Adam.
And Steve K here to bring you this wonderful blue Ford Focus. You know, Adam, this is the #1 sold vehicle in China.
Interesting. I did not know that we even knew those kind of stats. Why do you think it's so popular in China? And follow-up question, is it and can it be as popular here in the United States?
Possibly. Of course, it would look a whole lot better with a Chevy emblem, but with this vehicle, it gets great gas mileage. It's compact, but you still can stick some people in it. It's not really too bad. Fits about 5.
Well, I'd say the thing that sticks out to me, and I'm probably not alone, is this color. This color is unique. It's aqua. It's marine. I don't know what kind of color it is, but it's right there. You have to be able to. You notice that going down the road.
You bet, Adam. I tell you what, 2018's the year of blue. We've seen these blue vehicles flying off the lot. We can't keep them. Can't keep them on the lot. It's incredible.
Blue. We got some other blue ones too here, I think, as well. Yeah. What do you think about this being a good payment car for somebody? Good payment.
Oh, it's fantastic. You know, low maintenance, great gas mileage, and look at that trunk space.
Gosh, looks good. We'll see you here at Bowling Green Chevy.